So this is the HSP 1/10 scale monster truck. It's fitted with a Thunder Tiger Pro 15 engine and it comes complete with a transmitter, the glow starter, a little manual and everything ready to run. So let's give this car a little run around the garden. The grass is a bit long today, so it's possible that it might struggle, but we'll give it a run around the garden and see how it performs. So the first thing we're going to do is check the radio controls. So I'll lift the lid off. And there's the car underneath. So we're going to turn the car on, turn the transmitter on, and we'll do a quick check. So first of all, throttle and brake, look good, and steering, looks good. So let's give the car a start and see how we go. I'm going to push the throttle up to about a quarter of the way open in order to start it, just to give it a few revs, and then we should go from there. That's it, and I pulled the throttle right down to the bottom to ensure that it was stopped. It needs a bit of a tune, as you've probably heard there, so I'll just give it a quick tweak on the mixer screw just to richen the mixture up a little bit. But apart from that, that's the car. It is raining, the grass is long, so apologies for the slippage, but thank you for watching.